What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video, and we got to go over Miami coin today. So, looking at the crypto market, we can see Bitcoin at $38,000, down 2.56% in the last 24 hours. Then we got Ethereum down whole 4.16% in the last 24 hours and at $2,400. So, yeah, things inside the crypto market have been going down, down, and down. But right now, Miami coin decided to debut today. But unfortunately, what we have for today with Miami Coin is not what we wanted. They debuted today, but remember, you can only mine Miami Coin right now. You cannot actually buy it until they actually come out with that feature, and we actually get a lot of Maya coins. They're gonna call it Maya coins, but yeah, the Miami coins actually mined, and then they're gonna be in circulation. So that's what we gotta wait for. As you can see here, this is where it should be, and they're getting everything set up. So we're still going to be able to look at the prices and then watch everything go up and down, but we're going to have to do the mining. And the reason why I'm putting the quotes around the mining is because, it's kind of like yield farming, but we're going to go over that. So for those of you that don't know what Miami Coin is the first city coin built to support the Magic City while rewarding its holders through the Stacks protocol. So they're going to start creating city coins for, like the large capitals of, different states. Even though Miami is not the capital of Florida, it's still like the capital. But anyways, we're going to have a lot of different coins. So we're going to have a San Francisco coin next. So definitely watch out for that. So anyways, how it works, Miami Coin is powered by Stacks, a protocol that enables smart contracts on the Bitcoin network. Anyone can compete to mine Miami Coin by forwarding their STX tokens through the protocol. So 30% of miners forwarded STX is directed to the wallet of Miami Coin. So yes, Miami will be getting 30% of your money when you put it into the STX so that you can mine. And when they do that, it's going to help, with Miami infrastructure and stuff like that. And the remaining 70% is pretty much going to be stacked and yielded for STX and BTC. So that is what you're going to see. And they're going to have this in a weird kind of way. So anyways, city coins are mined by forwarding STX into a city coin smart contract on the Stacks protocol. The winner of each block reward is selected randomly, weighted by total STX spent. So city coins are claimed by the winning miner and can be then stacked to yield returns in STX and BTC. So stacking city coins can be locked on the Stacks protocol for a voluntary period of time, yielding STX as a reward. So the rewarded STX comes from the 70% of forwarded STX from Citycoin miners. So the yielded STX can be further stacked to yield BTC. And here are the estimated rates down here. So yeah, Miami Coin has a lot of coming out for it, and then you can read all about it inside of here. They have everything you need to know about Miami Coin. So you just visit citycoins.co and then Miami Coin, and yeah, this is pretty much all the info you will ever need. Anyone can mine Miami Coin, program Miami Coin via smart contracts, and even earn BTC from the protocol as it gets more usage. Miami Coin is a new way for developers to create applications and experiment with innovative uses and cases, so developers can create apps on this as well. Miami Coin is not available for purchasing or available for mining at the moment. They were supposed to be available for mining today, but they are held back for some reason. So yeah, you can click get your signups and then they'll send it straight to your email whenever the mining is available. Yeah, but for now, the mining won't be available. But once mining actually picks up and a lot of people start mining, they said they're actually going to start adding it onto listed exchanges. They're going to add to like Coinbase. They're probably going to add it to Binance. All that good stuff. They're going to add it to a lot of different exchanges. So hopefully they get all over, because I definitely want to see it get all over the place. But anyways, over here, as you can see, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Not telling you to buy Miami Coin. None of that. Just going over the basis with Miami Coin. So how to buy Miami Coin? You cannot buy it, like I just now said, and a lot of people are trying to find that out right now. So remember, whenever you do buy Miami Coin, not whenever you buy it, but whenever you mine it, you're putting 30% of your revenue pretty much to the city of Miami. And that means that 30% of the money you put in will always go to Miami, and then the other 70% will then be mined or staked for yield farming, if you want to say that, for the STX and the BTC. So that's pretty much how this is going to go here. And obviously, once it's available on like Coinbase and stuff, you're not going to be putting 30% of your revenue towards that. Your money will go straight into Miami Coin. So I'm probably going to wait until they're on exchanges. So you can mine if you want, but mining is definitely, worth it if you have the extra money to, put off to the side. If you have just the extra money just to throw in there, let it do what it does and watch it grow. But honestly, they actually summed it up very well here. So I'm going to read what they said over here. As mentioned, you'll need to send your STX tokens to Miami Coin smart contract whenever you want to, mine and stake, as they call it, mining. Citycoin didn't delve into specifics on how exactly one would go about doing this because, they haven't done this whole thing yet. They haven't even made this button available yet because they're held back. But anyway, the company said it will offer more information in due time. What happens next is similar to participating in a raffle. After submitting your STX tokens, you'll be competing with others to win either STX or BTC rewards. So participants with the most tokens have a better chance of winning. And that's why I said if you have, a lot of disposable income, if you have a lot of cash on the side, then it's pretty good to just put it in there. But, if you have like only 10% of your earnings in cash right now, or like if you have like a small amount of cash, you don't want to do it because it's probably not going to be worth it. So me personally, I'm going to wait because I got that smaller bag. I have to wait, until the actual Miami coin comes out. And then when the actual Miami coin comes out, I'll invest in it. Then I'll definitely let you guys know what that's like. And I'll probably make another update video when they finally make the mining available because they've been waiting too long. But anyways, over here it says if Alice sends 10 STX to the smart contract and Bob sends 30 STX, then Alice and Bob have a 25% for Alice and a 75% chance for Bob to win. So pretty much if someone else has a lot more money than you, they're more than likely going to win over you. But that's pretty much how it's going to go. Anyways, that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. And the symbol for this is going to be MIA. So when it's finally listed on exchanges like Coinbase, you can find it at MIA for Miami Coin. And anything Miami Coin, come back to this channel because I'm going to be doing more Miami Coin videos. And I'm probably just going to go ahead and mine it anyway, even though I said I probably won't. I'll probably will just a little bit just to see how it is. But most of my money is probably just going to go straight into Miami Coin, not the whole 30% going to Miami and then the 70%. The whole city coin idea, I feel like it's a little bit of a finesse. Let's be completely honest. There 30% of your, revenue, not your revenue, but 30% of the money that you're putting in there to stake is going to Miami, and then the 70% is going to stake. But then you earn it over time, so you get all that money back. So it makes sense, and it actually raises money for the city. So if you're really keen on the city of Miami, you really like the city of Miami or whatever kind of city they do, because remember they're doing San Francisco next. They'll probably do a New York coin. They'll probably do a LA coin, and yeah, they're probably gonna do a lot of different coins like that. A Tokyo coin, a London coin, a Berlin coin. They're gonna be doing a bunch of different coins with city coins. So yeah, they're gonna be linking up with a lot of these different cities. But anyways, this is all that I have for Miami coin. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor and none of this is financial advice. But if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe. Check out the link in the description for a free stock with Robinhood, Webull, and Public.com. And I'll be back with another video. Peace.